What's going on YouTube, man? It's your boy POV Art, man. We back with POV.
What's good, my boy?
So,
that shit hard, bro. Damn.
looking.
Yeah, no cap. Hold on.
It's that boy's. Say your name, bro.
ZAY2WAVY, man. You know the vibe.
It's insane.
You know,
Yeah, let me show him around the car.
yeah, you gotta show me around though, bro.
Yeah, look. You know what this is?
What?
The car.
Yo, I ain't slow, bro. Come on now. I got the bill like that. Nah, this hard, though.
You say you wanted a scat pack?
Yeah, I was looking at the scat pack, too. Because I was like, you know, just like, I like the 4-doors and shit like that. I was looking at the Jeeps, too, but I was like, for that, get a track hawk. But then again, I don't know. It's harder to find tracks, right?
Oh, shit, I need a mask. I need a ski. Where the store's at?
You ain't got your ski?
Nah.
No, that's what I seen every vid.
Shit. Exactly. I need a ski. Some sad. I left with ZAY2WAVY today, man. I'm about to let him drop.
His YouTube too. What's your
POV Art. POV Art. They gotta search up POV Art SRT.
Yeah, I'm gonna have look. His link will be in the description, so y'all don't even gotta do all that type of thing. Just scroll down right now. I need everybody to stop this vid. Scroll down.
I'm saying, check out his fit though.
Nah, this something just like.
Looks at him clean.
Valenci's on.
Yeah. Serenity pants. You know about these?
Oh yeah, that's it.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm trying to cop like more like, cause the jeans I be getting like purple, K-Subis and shit like that,
I fuck with Serenity.
Yeah.
Yeah. Serenity hard. I got a bunch of jeans. I got 2 outfits.
Yeah.
I got fit in the car. I'm gonna change after.
Yo, this dude.
I'm gonna change the car.
Yeah,
Look.
Think of that. That's shit hard.
Nah, the car is hard. You know how to drive?
Oh yeah.
You drove up here?
Yeah.
This your car?
Yeah.
You gonna let me drive?
You wanna drive the Honda?
Yeah. Oh.
You don't really clutch it.
What? Get that bullshit out of here. What that bullshit is?
Nah,
What the fuck?
He trying to run it.
What the fuck? I'm saying, check out my boy car. Oh, you got people in the car with you?
Nah, this is my girl.
Oh, wow. You mean your best friend?
Yeah. This is 2022 though, but I'm
Honda?
thinking after this, like, I might either pay it off and use this as a trade-in for like something like that. Cause I ain't gonna lie, after seeing this is what she know though. I just been talking about this.
Yeah, the track better.
You wanna look at it? Yeah.
The track out better. Yeah, let's check it out. The track out way better, bro.
You got like the peanut butter seats, right?
Mm-hmm. You see the rims?
That's hard, right?
Yeah, they told me to get rid of the rims and get black rims. You think I should do it?
Yeah, I ain't gonna lie.
Black rims?
Yeah. Cause the rim, like they came like this, or you put them on?
No, they came like that.
Yeah, I ain't gonna lie. I feel like the all black, and then
Like,
get rid
black
of it.
and-
Like I don't know.
You know this custom painted.
Yeah, I know.
They say it's painted. I don't know.
Yeah, that's how they be doing it, but I would take that off and then have like whatever color calibers you want and shit, like match that with, I don't know, just have it like so it's like healthy.
All black.
Yeah.
So you about to get a track out?
I think I'm gonna do SRT first.
SRT, this?
Yeah.
No, you gotta love this.
Is it stock?
Yeah, fully stock. Let me show you the engine. I got you. Let me show you the engine.
About doing stuff to it?
For sure.
I definitely need.
Let me show you the engine. You know how to open
I
it?
thought this is it first.
Ah! Try to open it. Try to open it.
SRT.
Let me help you out. I got you.
But he don't even know where it's at.
What the fuck? Hold up.
Yeah, come on now. Don't even try to. Yeah. Damn.
Fully stock. You see this? Match the rims.
Oh, yeah.
That's why I ain't get rid of it yet.
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah.
I mean, it's still stand out though. And then the caliber is
Tight
going to
shit.
match with the rims too.
Type shit.
And it's different too. You don't really see.
Exactly. This shit hard. Now, when I seen this, I went to the dealership, right?
Yeah.
I was looking for a 2017, and they ain't had it. And I seen that one. That one, it just got delivered.
Yeah.
Like, yeah, it just came in.
Cause it was brand new. I seen like when you was recording or some shit, you had like 8,000 miles on it.
Yeah, it's 8,000 miles. They say it's dealership miles. I don't think so. I think somebody was using
you
this.
bought it with that many miles?
Yeah, I bought it with 8,000. And then, you know what I'm saying? I forgot to record when I was coming up here.
Yeah. Oh, this your first like trip?
Yeah. You been recording all day?
Yeah. I mean, I ain't really do too much. Like, I just been waiting here. You had me waiting for like 3 hours. And
oh, my fault.
Yeah, like, we went to the damn bathroom 2 times.
But yeah, man, ZAY2WAVY might be driving a whip today. Hopefully he don't crash it, man. I'll get back to y'all. Yo, what's actually crazy is I did not expect them to crash at all, bro. Like, it was really crazy to me. But watch to the end to see what happened, man. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. If you watching this right now, like. Thank you. But yeah, man.
Get out that camera.
There you go. Let's see what you got. Yeah, man. I'm letting him drive.
Damn. Oh my God.
You could adjust the seat if you want.
We both too short to it don't even matter.
He putting his seatbelt on it.
Oh yeah.
What, the window?
It be dinging, right?
Huh? No. I removed it.
Word. Alright, bet. So where seatbelt is on. She trying to. Where we going?
Oh shit! If she say put the seatbelt on, let me put my shit on too.
Why?
And she know how you drive.
Nah, but I don't be driving crazy. I can't drive crazy in a Honda. It ain't really too much, like goddamn 200 horsepower. Alright, bet. So where we out to?
Where the mall at, dude? Yeah. Alright, just guide them to the mall.
Like just go like straight.
Go right here. Turn right here.
And this in auto, right?
Yeah, it's on auto.
Straight?
Yeah, just go straight. I'm about to put you on track. Hold on. Alright, you good. You hear that?
Yeah. I ain't gonna lie. Hold on. I'm about to. Damn. I can feel the difference too with the steering wheel. Damn.
Oh yeah, it's harder?
Nah, well, I felt it like drift off a little bit to the left. You doing your thing, for real. Okay.
Thank you.
I gotta show you.
How y'all feel back there?
You scared? You scared? I ain't never drive an SRT though, so you should be scared. I ain't gonna say no. About to see. What's up? You trying to? Oh, he ain't trying to race.
Where your window though? Where your window?
You start repping.
Rev. He not even looking. He don't want no smoke.
Oh.
He don't want no smoke.
Nah, I can definitely feel the difference.
This is where the cameras be at. The last video I uploaded, that's where we was at.
Behind me with it. What are you trying to?
Oh, don't do what you just did.
I'm not gonna be dumb about it. Like, it's mad traffic. We in standstill. Ain't nowhere to go. Who that?
I think it's the Chevy.
That's not him?
No.
Oh, nah. That's the nigga.
Nigga driving a Honda, but that's not him. It's the Chevy, the white Chevy right there. Wait, is it? Yeah, it isn't.
This shit in track?
Yeah.
Oh, he listening to Corona. Co-Curvis, bro.
About to see what's up. Hopefully, damn. Right.
Oh, he all the way in the back.
Move over.
He coming up.
That shit got the automatic brake.
Yes, sir. Yes, Zay.
Come on now. Come on now. Oh my god, that shit.
You put the phone back.
I think you lost him. Good job, Zay.
Oh, it be spinning though, right?
Yeah.
Damn, so I can't even.
He over Andrew, bro.
Okay.
Way over Andrew. Oh, shit. What do you use? What you go to?
Nah.
They go 12, that's my tip.
Right there.
12 right here. Damn, y'all behind the bus, bro. Bad idea, bro. Okay,
Oh man, it's traffic. It's traffic. I see you though. I see you.
That's a Genesis, right?
Yeah. Yeah, they like that.
Yeah, bro. They get active in
That
Philly.
in Philly.
Yes, sir.
Alright. You said I should have been all the way there.
He basically asked for smoke. He basically asked me for smoke.
If he just did that, yeah.
And he asked for smoke.
Alright, bet.
That's a Corvette. Yes, sir. Oh, you about to turn right here. Go all the way right here. Yeah, you can make it. That was risky as fuck. Oh, that's the cops right there.
Yeah, fuck.
Right in front of us.
I'm gonna go make him stop so he can be behind us.
Oh no, as soon as I see him stop.
You gotta turn. Yeah, man. I let this nigga Zay drive the car, bro. This nigga going crazy.
Little slight cut up.
You know what I'm saying?
Nothing too
Some like you going crazy though. That's your first V8, right?
Bro,
Like your first time driving a V8.
Ever. First ever.
You doing good for first time, bro. You doing
The
great.
only thing-
You doing great actually.
You think so?
Yeah.
It's just the curves, right? It don't really do good on turns and shit.
You're not over Chino though. You're not over Chino.
Bro, we gotta get traffic though.
I bet.
Oh yeah, we're at part 2?
When we get to the what's that called? When we get to Top Golf, you can park the car by itself.
Yeah.
Yeah, they'll park for you.
Alright, now I don't want it to back up into no damn car. Oh shit.
Let's get the park. Next one.
It's still 3 minutes.
It's still right over there anyway.
Oh.
say about those buses? Yo, what did he say about those buses? Yo, he said it too. He said, yo, you gotta watch out for the buses. Oh, hell no. Yo, he's tripping.
Bye-bye. Come back again soon, okay?